Namaste and welcome. So come to lie on your back and bend your knees and place your feet hip distance. And go ahead and close your eyes. And take a moment here to settle in and begin to connect to your breath. And allow your breath to guide you through the practice. And feel it flowing deep within your body. Now gently drop your knees over to one side. And then come back through center and then drop them over to the other side. So just continue like this. Loosen up your hips and your lower back. And then come back to center and place your right ankle on top of your left thigh, and then let your left thigh sink in towards your chest. And draw your attention into your hips. And gently release held tension as you breathe. And then go ahead and release, and let's do the other side. So draw your right thigh in towards your chest. And breathe deeply and stay present to yourself. And then go ahead and release, and let's rock up to sit and turn around and come into a downward facing dog. And then step your left foot forward and drop your right knee down. You can place your hands down onto the ground or to a block. Now sink your hips forward and drop your head and relax your neck and your jaw. And draw your tailbone down and forward to increase the stretch. And then release, and let's come into a triangle. So root your right heel down and open up. Both legs are straight here. Root your feet and then draw up energy through your legs into your hips. And fill up your hips and lower belly and lower back with space as you breathe. And then gently release into lunge pose. Now spin over to your right into a wide forward bend and just shift your weight from side to side. Come back to center, turn your legs out, bend the knees, and let's roll up. Inhale, reach your arms up, straighten your legs, and then fold forward and sweep your arms and your torso from side to side. And again, inhale, reach, root your feet, and exhale, flow forward. And one more, inhale, reach, and exhale, fold. And then coming to a forward bend. Now let's turn to the back of our mat into lunge pose, and then drop your left knee down. And allow your hips to sink forward. And feel an opening and release in your body as you exhale. Completely relax your neck and your jaw. And then from here, lift your back knee up and then root your left heel down and open up into a triangle. Reach your left arm up and root your feet and draw your attention to your pelvis. And breathe as deeply as you can into your pelvis. And then release into a lunge pose. Now spin over to your left into a wide forward bend. Now go ahead and bend your knees and turn your legs out. And then grab your ankles and gently press your elbows into your legs. Your torso is in a flat back. And breathe deeply here. And then gently fold your torso forward. Begin to straighten your legs, parallel your legs and your feet. And drop the crown down. Root your feet and feel the earthiness of your legs. Elongate your spine and breathe into your legs and your pelvis. And then slowly turn to the front of your mat and then downward facing dog. And then gently lower your knees down. Let's circle the hips over to the right, circle back to your heels and left. And again, just circle and open up your hips and your lower back. And then go the other direction. And then come back to center. Now you're going to place your right knee between your hands and square your hips. You can place a pillow or a blanket under your sitting bone if you need that. And then begin to fold forward. And allow your hips and your legs to release into the ground. And let tension and stress melt away from your hips. And then slowly lift your torso up. Now you're going to take your left leg and swing your left leg forward and over your right thigh. So you can stay here, or if you can stack your knees. So your left knee will be on top of your right, if that's okay for your knees and your hips. You can stay vertical, or you can begin to fold forward. Now see how much you can soften right here. Stay close to your breath. And then slowly roll up to sit. Now shift your weight back as you extend your legs in front of you and just shake your legs out. And then from here, we're going to do the other side. So come to your hands and knees. And let's circle the hips again. Circle left, back, and to the right. And again. And then go the other direction. So just loosen up your hips and your lower back. And then come to center. Now bring your left knee between your hands and square your hips. You can always place a blanket or a pillow under your sitting bone. And then begin to fold forward. Take your time. And be totally present here. and release your body with your exhale. And now slowly lift your torso up. Now you're going to take your right leg and swing it in front of you over your left thigh. If you can, stack your knees. You can stay vertical, or you can begin to fold forward. So soften in your hips, lower back and thighs, and allow a deeper release with every breath. And then slowly roll up. Now shift your weight back and extend your legs out in front of you and just shake them out a little bit. Now go ahead and bend your right knee and let the knee fall to the side, your right foot on your inner left thigh. And then fold forward. Now as you inhale, feel an opening and expansion deep within your pelvis. And as you exhale, allow yourself to release deeper into the forward bend. And then slowly roll up and extend your right leg out, and let's do the other side. So bend your left knee and let it fall out to the side, and then when you're ready, fold over your right leg. So as you inhale, create space, and as you exhale, release, allow, and let go. And then slowly roll up to sit. And then we're going to come to our last pose. So you're going to take 2 blankets or use 2 pillows. You're going to roll up the blankets. You're going to place a blanket under each leg as a support. Come to lie on your back, soles of your feet together, and drop your knees out towards the sides. Close your eyes. And allow your legs to relax completely. Let your whole back, shoulders and arms yield into the ground. And notice how your breath flows in and out in a natural rhythm. And embrace this moment of stillness. And allow yourself to surrender into ease and calm. you can stay here for as long as you need. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.